guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kabria Darshay and I am back with another video. So today's video is a perm rod tutorial that I am super excited about. This is my very first time ever doing a perm rod set on my hair. I've always done flexis, always used a curling wand and a flat iron to curl my hair, but I wanted to try something different. You know, since we're home, I'm not really getting my hair done. I have to do it on my own. So I'm starting on fresh washed hair. I deep condition my hair as well for probably about 30 minutes, and I basically just got right into it. You will see me use a water bottle throughout the video because my hair is a little bit dry at this point. Like, for some reason my hair dries a tad bit fast even though it's so thick. So I did have to add some water to it just to, you know, kind of get it hydrated and be able to do what I need to do. Alright, so I'm going to basically take sections of my hair. So what I started with is I made a part directly down the middle of my head, and then at the back of my head I basically did two separate sections, one on the right side, one on the left. And then out of those two sections I basically did like two more sections. I didn't want my curls to come out super big, so I didn't add a lot of hair to it. And as you can see here, I'm just going to take some water from my water bottle that cost me like $1 and just really like drench the piece, the section that I'm working with. I'm really just going to drench that in basically water so that it's like super wet, like I just got out the shower. So now I'm going to take my Ego style gel and the olive oil. I was about to say flavor. The olive oil one, and I'm going to put that on the root of my hair because I do not want my hair to get super bushy. Especially, well, not my hair, but I don't want my root to be super bushy. I want it to be kind of smooth and perfect, so when it air dries it doesn't look frizzy or anything like that. And now I'm going to take my Denman brush and just basically from the root down to my end, just brush. If you don't have a Denman brush, I suggest getting one, because look at what it automatically did to my curls. Like, this brush is amazing. Best $20 I've ever spent in my life. On the beat. So now I'm going to take this Afrosheen crown defining curl cream and I'm going to put that in my hair from the root down to my ends. I'm going to take a pretty good amount of it. I'm not going to drench it in there, but I'm going to take a good amount, enough to where my hair can really just kind of receive the product. Alright, so now I'm going to take my perm rods. This is like a fresh pack that I bought. I used a pack and a half for my hair particularly. I ended up buying like maybe 5 or 6 just in case, because you know your hair is thick. I mean, you want to get as many as you need to. So as you guys can see, I felt like that whole section was a little bit too much hair, so I just separated that into 2. And basically, to put on my rod, I'm just going to take the end and make sure I wrap it around as much as I can around the rod. And then I'm going to really, just as I'm pulling and wrapping it, I'm going to make sure it's super duper tight. And then when I get closer to my root, you see I did just kind of start twisting it on up until I get to the root part. Alright guys, so that is my whole entire head. I am completely done. I'm going to sit under the dryer for a little bit as well, so that my roots can dry, and then I will be back the next day. Alright guys, so it is the next day. As you can see, the curls are popping. So as I mentioned before, the way that I took the curls, the perm rods down, was the same way I put them in. Which is how I wanted it to be. I wanted it to kind of have that spiral, which is perfect. So now I'm just taking my edge control, my Hicks edge control. Lord, I can't talk today. And basically just kind of getting my roots. Well, not my roots, but my sides. Because for the hairstyle I want to do it for. And then I'm going to take my Eco Style gel again and just put a little bit more of my roots to make it a little bit more smoother.
Is on the beat.
Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I can do more videos like this for my natural hair girls. I know it's a struggle during this time, so we need all the help we can get. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video.